I don't think people understand how game-changing a good dog grooming brush can be. Let's break it down. First up, the Furminator Undercoat Deshedding Tool. This bad boy is a lifesaver for tackling loose undercoat hair. Your furniture will thank you. Next we have the Sleek Edge Dog Brush. One word, versatility. This brush works wonders on all hair types, short, long, curly, you name it. For budget-conscious pet parents, the Hearts Groomer's best combo dog brush is a steal. With its dual-sided design, you can detangle and shine in one go. Two birds, one stone. Looking for something self-cleaning? The Depets and Swihawk Slicker brushes are your new best friends. They make removing loose fur a breeze, no more mess. Last but not least, the Max Power Planet Pet Grooming Rake. Perfect for long-haired breeds, its dual-sided design handles dematting and de-shedding like a pro. So are you ready to transform your grooming routine? Grab one of these top-rated brushes and keep your pup looking fabulous.